prison, dinner was always a big thing. We had a pasta course, and then we had a meat or a fish. Paulie did the prep work. He was doing a year for contempt, and he had this wonderful system for doing the garlic. He used a razor, and he used to slice it so thin that it used to liquefy in the pan with just a little oil.
I'm back, baby. My name's Longo, and today I'm teaching you how to make GOODFELLAS sauce. Took some time off to go enjoy my summer, got a little fatter, got a nice little haircut, and came back just like that ex you dumped twice already. Today, we're making the sauce from the movie GOODFELLAS. I came up with this idea because I saw some asshole comment, "You're like the ghetto binging with Babish." And I was like,
who the fuck is that?
Typed in binging with Babish and came across another internet chef. Basically recreates dishes from famous movies and TV shows. Loved the concept, came across his GOODFELLA video, and I was like, yo,
It's only right if a fucking Italian makes this dish.
shout out to Babish, your videos are dope. Maybe we can collaborate in the future, brother. Maybe not. All right, so step one in making the GOODFELLAS sauce, you're gonna need 3 types of meat.
Veal, beef, and pork.
Ah, good, but you gotta have the pork.
Oh, that's the flavor.
And this is what we use when we make our famous Bolognese sauce, which I did in like episode 1. Is this season 2? Because we got a brand new set. I'm out of Ryan's kitchen. Ryan, thank you for all your love and support, but we had to build a new kitchen, and this is inside my second bedroom. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna throw in our meats and put it in the pork first, and I'm using hot Italian sausage. I'm gonna line the bottom of the pan with them. Ladies, suggest you try my sausage. We wanna spread them out evenly in the pan. We wanna get these cooking for a minute here. We basically wanna create some burnt shit on the bottom of the pan. About to smell like God's vagina. Next up, we're gonna throw in the veal. And the fire alarm should go off in any second now. Knew that was gonna happen. I'm adding the beef. You wanna get all 3 meats cooking. You want that shit to burn like the first time you ever got chlamydia. Once we've cooked them a little bit, a little sear on each piece of meat, we're gonna fish them out, and then we're gonna start to build our sauce. And what we got on the bottom of the pan is fawn. It's all the burnt, crusty shit. It's actually amazing for flavor. Okay, so we're gonna turn down the heat a little bit, pour a little olive oil in our base.
Don't put too many onions in the sauce.
We're gonna mix a little bit of onions in there. We take our wooden spoon like the one my mother used to beat me with last week. I'm gonna add a little bit of tomato paste. Also gonna hit that with a dash of salt. Build the flavors here, guys. Okay, garlic goes in. We're gonna deglaze the bottom of this pan with a little bit of vino. Let the wine burn off. And while we're waiting for that, now would be a good time to have a nice swig of the vino. And head over to SugoSunday.com to get yourself the Bolognese Balenciaga rip-off shirt, baby. We even got it in a hoodie, okay? You wanna be large like me? So you can scrape that burnt shit off the bottom of the pan now, deglaze this. We've deglazed this pan. We're getting ready to pour in our San Marzano tomatoes. Go take that can of tomato sauce, fill it up about halfway, add some water, pour that into the sauce, give that a nice stir, and then our meat goes back in the sauce. We got a veal chop, beef sirloin. We got a hot Italian, just like me. Now, if you're vegan, don't make this sauce. Go eat a patch of grass or something, because this one ain't for you. We throw carrots in the sauce. It's a natural sweetener, and what happens is the sugar from the carrots breaks down the acidity from the tomatoes. Throw them in. We're gonna fish it all out later. Oh, fuck. Not smart. Don't drop it in. Place it in. It's not a Sugo Sunday unless you get some Sugo on your merch, baby. Large. Take some fresh basil, throw that in as well. Hit it with a little pepper, salt. Give it a mix. We're gonna let this all cook down, get to know each other, have a little orgy in the pot, and you wanna come back and you wanna stir it every like 5-10 minutes. And we're also gonna put the lid half on. The sauce has been cooking literally for 3 hours. You can't cook it for 4, you can cook it for longer than that. Just gotta keep an eye on it so it doesn't burn and stick to the bottom and taste like shit. Fish out the old sausage, the meat, the veal. It's all cooked for so long, it's all become so tender that it's like literally falling apart. Hit that with a little bit of sauce. Basil leaves on top for good measure. Look at that. fucking large. You can take a piece of the sausage that's been cooking and you can plate that shit on there too. And there you have it, folks. This is how you make Goodfellas Sugo Sundae. It's a beautiful thing right there. You gotta listen. Try it out.
I love Andrew Hair.
This is my homie Kai. Kai will be in an upcoming episode.
Yes, sir.
YouTuber, Instagrammer, grinder. The guy's dad's an Iron Chef.
Bro, this Parmigiana is like 30 years old.
Yeah, all cheeses. All right, that's good. You want some pasta with your cheese?
Yo, this is really good. Holy
bad,
shit.
right? That's all I got for you guys today. Thanks for watching. Welcome to the new kitchen. More episodes coming soon. Don't forget to subscribe and watch out for Kai on the next episode. Ciao, Bella.